winch problem. It's having a winch problem. The winch is broken, so we're trying to find a way we can fix it. Look at it here. This part is already broken, so the way we need to remove the touch so that the touch will not be broken. So by so doing, we have to disconnect the touch totally from the motherboard, from the screen. We have removed the screen, successfully removed the screen. This is the screen. You can see it's not broken. So now I'm trying to disengage the touch from the part of the system. So that one will not get broken also before we start working on the winch on the floor. So I'm trying to remove it. Let's see how it goes. You see, Conga is holding it down here. I'm not allowed to be able to open it successfully, but right now I'm able to remove it. So this is our camera. I'm going to remove the camera. So we have successfully removed the touch. So you can see the touch. So the touch is removed. So I have to keep it in the same place before I start working on the winches. And everything will work perfectly. So I've disconnected the battery, and I've also opened the back of the system. You can see it here. The back is already removed. So here now I will have to remove this screw. So when I remove the screw, by then I can now go and weld the winch, because it's proving somehow difficult because the winches here is also affected. So even trying to lose it is not opening because it's worn out. To find a way to remove it so that it won't damage the body of the car, the picture. So let's see how it goes. If I'm able to remove it, I'll have to adjust it in this place because it's a bit stiff, which is making it difficult for the system to stick. So I'll have to try to adjust this and make it flexible.